Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today's video I'm going to show you how you can find yourself an agent in realestate.com.au. So first of all, open a browser. The process works for your PC as well as your phone. Now, once you're in this site, you will see a page like this. In here you will see buy, rent, sold, address. So if you would like to sort your agent, select agents. Now go ahead, select the agent's name or suburb or region. So I'm going to select NSW, and then you will see that all the agents will be listed here in this very location. And likewise, you can also see their ratings. So this guy has 5 ratings with 294 reviews. And the reviews seems to be quite recent. So if you would like to learn more about Jake, go ahead and tap onto it. And you can view its performance, how many items he has sold. And once done, if you would like to have a call with him, you can also select this call, or if you have any queries, select inquire. And just like so guys, this is how you find them. Not only Jake, you will find various person. If you scroll all the way below, you will see the list of them.